Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing good. Now, welcome to another class of general knowledge. So, today also we are going to learn some very interesting things. Let us see what we are going to learn. It is story time. Now, children, we have read many stories. आपको भी पता होगा आपने डिज्नी मूवीज भी देखी होंगी. You must have seen Disney movies in which there are very interesting stories. Now we are going to play a game. Okay, I am going to tell you what the story is. I will tell you, I will give some hint to you, and you will tell me what is the name of the story. The first is, this is the story of a princess with long hair who is locked in a tower. If you see this picture, you might be able to remember this story. In this story, there is a princess who is having a very long hair and she has been locked in a tower by her mother. Okay? Now, a prince comes to save her. If you have seen this story, so what is the name of the story? Yes, the name of the story is Rapunzel. The name of the girl is Rapunzel, and so the name of the story. What is the spelling? Rapunzel. Rapunzel. Okay? Now, let us see the next story. This is the story of how a princess and a frog who was actually a prince became friends. So there is this frog who is living, okay? He is not a frog, but he is a prince, okay? But no one knows that he is a prince. Now a princess comes over there, she sees the frog and she becomes friends with it. In the end, she finds out that it is not a frog, but it is a prince. Okay? Now, the name of the story is The Frog Prince. Okay? Now, these are very interesting stories. I will share the link with you from where you can actually see the animated form of these stories. Okay? Now, the next is, this is the story of a shoemaker who is helped by elves to make shoes. If you remember the story, there is a shoemaker who is very poor, okay, and he wants to make good shoes. What he does is, at night, he cuts the parts of the shoes, okay, to make the shoes, and he goes to sleep. But whenever he wakes up in the morning, he finds out there is a very good shoes which is made and kept. He is surprised. But at last he finds out that there are these elves. Elves means they are short people, small people, okay? So these are the elves who are helping him make the shoes. Okay, so the name of the story is The Elves and the Shoemaker. Okay, now let us see the next story. In this story, a girl has to pass a test given by Princess Mother to see if she is a real princess. Okay, so there is a girl, okay, who has to pass test. कौन देता है वो test? Prince की mother. Okay. Now the name of the story is, can you tell me? Yes, it is The Princess and the Pea. Now let us see the next story. This is the story of a little bird who is thought ugly by all other birds. But at the end of the story, he discovers that he is a beautiful swan. So what is the story about? Actually, there is an egg which accidentally comes to a duck. Okay? But when the egg hatches, there is a swan, it is the child of a swan, but no one knows that. ठीक है, किसी को नहीं पता होता है कि वो जो एग है उसके अंदर से जो निकला है, इट इज नॉट अ डकलिंग बट इट इज अ स्वॉन्स चाइल्ड. ओके, सो एवरीवन टेल्स द बर्ड दैट इट इज वेरी अगली. अगली मतलब not beautiful. Okay, so he becomes very sad with this, but later on he finds out that he is not a duck at all. वो duck तो है ही नहीं, he is a swan. So the name of the story is The Ugly Duckling. So you should always remember that all of you are special in some or the other way. Okay, so never get disappointed. Now children, we are going to learn about wonderful inventions. There are many things in our day-to-day life that we use. But क्या आपने सोचा है कि इसको किसने बनाया होगा पहले? जैसे हम टीवी देखते हैं तो टीवी को भी तो किसी ने बनाया होगा, है ना? We use electric bulbs, so who made the bulb? Right? ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें किसी ना किसी ने बनाया है. Someone has invented it, made it. Okay, so we are going to learn about that. Now, if you see your page, okay, it is in match the columns that you have to do it. Okay? Just a second, children. Now see here, JL Bade. So here you can see the numbers, है ना? Numbering है 1 2 3 4 5 and यहाँ पे है A B C D E. So here we have to do is we have to match. Okay, so JL Bade. Now, can you tell me what did he invent? Electric bulb, telephone, television, car or computer? Do you have any idea? Let me tell you. J.L. Bade, he invented television. Now, the television is at C. So, I am going to write here C. Okay? So this is how you have to do. Now next is Charles Babbage. Now Charles Babbage, he is also known as the father of computer. Why? Because he is the one who invented computer. So I am going to write E here because computer कौन से number पे है? E. So I will write E here. Done? Now next is Thomas A. Edison. A is for Alva. So Thomas Alva Edison. Now what did he invent? He is very famous for electric bulb. Okay, so he invented electricity and electric bulb. Okay, so I will write electric bulb is at A. So I am going to write A here. Okay. Now next is Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell, there is a very interesting story. Actually, he was making something so that the deaf people can hear. जिनको सुनाई नहीं देता है, वो एक ऐसी मशीन बनाना चाहते थे so that those people they will be able to hear, जो सुन नहीं पाते. But accidentally he invented telephone. Okay. Now the telephone is on which number? It is at B. So I will be writing B here. Okay. Now next is Carl Benz. If you have noticed, there is car है with the name Benz, Carl. Okay. So what did he invent? With the name itself, it is clear that he invented car. So the car is on number D. So I will write over here D. Okay. So this is how you do match the following. Please do not put lines, okay? I hope it is clear to you who invented what and you will be able to do it. Okay? Till then, take care of yourselves, children. Have a nice day. Goodbye.